Strawberry glory, a great way of celebrating the best of British strawberries.
Strawberries, halve, ice and sugar, balsamic vinegar.
The combination of the tartness of the vinegar against the sweetness of the strawberries is mind-blowing. Drizzle over the strawberries.
Ice and sugar. Pan.
Nice and hot. Strawberries in.
Caramelise.
Literally 15 to 20 seconds, a quick toss and then back out.
Crème Pâtissière.
Commonly known as a really nice thick custard.
Milk, cream, boil. Egg yolks. Sugar.
Whip, whip, whip.
Flour.
Take out 1/3 of the cream and milk.
Stir.
Once that's liquefied, put all of your milk and your cream in there. Put it back in the pan. Bring the custard up to the boil, which will cause it to go really nice and thick. Into the fridge to cool down.
Cream, ice and sugar.
Don't over-whip the cream, just as it's starting to fall through your whisk. Get your thick custard, take off 1/3.
Whisk.
And the rest of it straight in. Look at that. Nice, just falling through the whisk. Now for the exciting part, putting this little baby together.
Strawberries, juice, pastry cream, crushed meringue. Repeat.
A really nice ball of vanilla ice cream. Sit that on top of the thick, rich custard.
Juice, grated chocolate.
It wouldn't be complete without one of these. A good old-fashioned British wafer.
Strawberry glory. Done.